Restoring a SQL database from backup. You must first go to the location, which can be found under Protect and Databases. From here, you select the appropriate database server, and then choose the appropriate date, as well as adjust the appropriate time for which you want to restore the backup. Click Restore. Select the appropriate database itself. Click Restore. There are three types of restorations: in place, out of place, restore to disk. The in place will restore the files back to the original location, overwriting all production data. The out of place restoration will select a new location on the server. You will rename the destination file, as well as choose the appropriate data path and log file paths to have the data restored. By default, the recovery option is set. Do not change the default option and submit for processing. The Restore to Disk feature will restore a BAK file, which will be downloaded to the appropriate location chosen by selecting the server as well as path. From here, the file can be used to restore your database at any location. To view the jobs submitted, click Jobs, where you can view the progress and completion of all current jobs.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.